Hey, I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at Cadwell Park for yet another No Limits track day. We're going to be heading out on yet again the Small Boys ZX636 track bike, and I'm going to bring you along with me so we can have a look at the analytics, enjoy some of the best bits of the day, and I'll talk to you about my amazing airbag vest that I also wear every time that I head out on track. So catch you very soon. Never head out on track unless I'm wearing my amazing Helite airbag vest. So just want to quickly talk to you about it. You can get them for the road, you can get them for the track, and if you're into your horse riding, you can also get versions for riding with horses as well. I'm going to give you a link. It's going to appear down below. You can also see it in the description and the comments. Basically, this is going to give you a £50 discount voucher if you use it when you're buying your own. I purchase off a company in the UK, and if you are UK based or willing to buy in the UK, then this discount voucher is going to help you out. So hope you enjoy. Coming up next will be the analytics, and then we will head into the session. So looking at the analytics for this session, again this was the last session and we had a really great time chasing down a pack of riders. Unfortunately it was a bit of a short session due to a red flag right at the very beginning, but here we've got a 1:48 as our quickest lap, and actually the outlap was a 1:51, so we're actually reasonably quick throughout the entire session. Again, layout that we're looking at here, top left hand side gives us an overview of the track so we can see where we're moving around. In the middle here we've got the lap times and we've also got the sector times. Right hand side here gives us first video, which is a white one, which is lap 4, second video which is the red one, which is lap 1, and then at the bottom here we have speed, power and lean angle. So if you have a look at the chart here and start having a look at where we're really making a bit of time, again you can see very slight differences on the quickest lap to the slowest lap. So where we're making up the 3 seconds on the lap, you can pretty much see actually it's within one section. So you can see as we zoom off down the hill, basically I can see that I got on the gas a little bit better. It can see when we got into braking, I seemed to brake a little bit later and from a higher speed, and then also I can see as I went round the curve section heading towards the gooseneck, it seemed that I basically managed to carry a bit more speed in that section. We can see that not only in the speed but can also see that in the power curve as well. So we can basically see that I used a little bit more power on that section. So anyway, let's crack on. I'm going to now guide you in and show you the analytics for lap 4, so you'll see that with an overlay, and then we'll carry on through and show you the entire session. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.